Guys, today we're going to be adjusting the Audi A1.
Let me ask you a question, yeah?
Yeah, brother.
So, obviously,
Headlights. Yeah, brother.
obviously we
Yeah. Customer.
we got tools to
Tools.
innit?
Yeah.
Right, let me show you something.
Let me see.
How am I supposed to get it then?
You press the unlock and then this happens, brother. Now what, brother?
I've got the tools.
Okay, are you happy now? Brother, you could have just gone and bought some new ones. Look. It is very low. We want it higher because it hits the floor when you are driving. Like even if you look at my one right now, I'm much closer to the wall and it's higher in general.
No.
It's either that one or one controls the vertical. I think it's either that one or that one. One controls the vertical, one controls up and down, one controls left and right. So we want these both higher. Sorry, they're on the highest setting, isn't it? Wait, love it. Wait, does she not have any controls at all for the light? No, she didn't. It all has to be done manually. Would that turn the light back on? Okay, let's see if it's going up or down. Are you sure that's the one?
That's tiny, innit? There you go.
Is it moving?
Yeah.
Go on. Oh, that's not doing anything. No. I'm sure. Be that one. This one here. Lead with, yeah, with that. Yeah, that's the adjustment. That one there.
Okay. So how do I get in that one?
Put your tool there.
Tools this one.
Yeah. Next to it. There you go. Twist it.
I am, but I don't think this one goes in. I need that flat.
Big one. Yeah, use a big flathead. Alright guys, also we got started on at the airport guys today by some random kid. And I also met a fan today, I think. He kept saying my name, I think he was saying my name, and then he kept saying to his mum. His mum was with him and they kept staring at me. I was thinking, huh? So I'm guessing he must have been.
Oh, it's moving.
Up or down?
Up.
Yeah, keep going. Yeah, it's moving up, can you see? So we're going to try to bring it to about here-ish. That's pretty much.
I can do it by hand.
No, don't do by hand. That's not by hand, bro. You're just twisting the housing.
No, okay.
Go on. No, you're making out of focus. Brother, don't ever do that again. Yeah, just keep spinning it. Keep going. Higher. 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 So you want it right to the line, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, keep going. Oh yeah, it is still low, innit? Keep going. Oh, put it down. Was that the max? Yeah. Keep going down. No, it went down again.
Yeah, so leave it there then.
No, take it the highest.
That's the highest, right? Oh wait, you know how my car you can adjust it in the car?
No, nothing.
Does he not do it on that?
So that's the highest.
Yeah.
There's a big difference at least. It's better than before. That's where it was before, that's higher. Okay, this side now. So to move up and down is this screw here. On this side is this screw here. So twist it, have a look if it's going up or down. If it's going down, twist it the other way. So yeah. Just get them level in it. Move out the way. Keep going higher.
No, he's moving her.
Who?
So you can move her.
Who's moving it?
He's moving her.
This donkey, while we're adjusting, this donkey's moving it.
You're moving her.
Yeah, you can move it.
I told you can move her.
Yeah, sorry, then the highest stuff. Wait, let's see. That's one. Wait, move out the way. Does that move it higher or lower? Lower.
I moved it lower.
So it's already on the highest. That's the highest, yeah?
Yeah.
That's the highest. Okay, leave it there. Don't move him.
Push it.
That side gets higher, innit? That's well high.
But also, I can tell two different
Bulbs.
headlights.
Bulbs in it.
Two different headlights.
What do you mean?
Yeah, either headlights or bulbs, whatever.
Most like the bulbs, they look different colours as well. Yeah, so that's your adjustment done.
Is that level on?
It's not level. That side needs to be higher, innit?
Yeah, well, I can't.
You can't keep going. You weren't hitting the click.
What, on that side?
Yeah.
I was clicking.
Yeah, you could go a few more clicks in. Keep going. Just a bit. Do it slowly. Keep going. You turn it the right way. Okay, leave it then. Alright guys, that's the best we're gonna get. It's higher than before, so that's better. We should be able to see the road now. Before you couldn't see anything. My sister would cry, oh, I can't see nothing, I have to drive around with my high beams on. It's because the light is hitting the floor, guys, like literally in front of her, like a fog light. And now this should be okay. Let's see. MashaAllah, brothers. Let me see my beam now. Straight up in my boot.
No,
Wow.
this is.
Yeah, bro, yeah, you're right, brother. Right, I'm sorry for the fan whoever saw me today. Oh, thank you, brother. Thank you guys for watching. Good night.